Hey guys, this is JD Bay with Hoppe Industry down in Troop, Texas. Bringing you our newest product. As you can see, I'm in a Kawasaki KRX 1000. Real excited to bring this one. A lot of people have been asking for this one. I'd never actually driven one or been around one that much outside of in dealerships and stuff. And then a couple weeks ago, I was out in Utah riding around, and one of the guys that we were riding with had one of these things. So they're pretty amazing units. The first one we have is our new Hoppe Audio Mini. Same thing we've been putting in the Talon and the Razors and a lot of the sport models. This shape exactly. Very simple design, plug and play application, should take you about 15 minutes. Comes fully assembled like this. It does work with the factory roof. They didn't have any at the time at the dealership, so we just installed this on their unit. The roof works, goes right over the top, no problem. The unit comes fully assembled. As always, with all of our Hoppe off-road products, it has the Kicker audio components. It has a Kicker KMC2 head unit with AM, FM, Bluetooth, and auxiliary inputs. It comes with 4 6-inch speakers. Great crystal clear sound, distortion free. For the money, it gives you as much sound as you can get. Has a dome light, works all the time. So it's a great feature to have when you're out riding in the evenings and stuff. The unit just sits up here. It has 2 metal brackets, bolts on the front off the cage. You just use the factory bolts, and then it has 2 clamps, one on each side, just to kind of support it, and it sits there. It's real sturdy, very strong. You can also see it's way out of view. For reference, I'm 6'1". I have no problem just looking around, seeing. You don't even realize it's there, but it's got great opportunity, just great ease of use. It's right here, convenient. You can see it even when you're driving if you want to look up and see what's going on and use your controls. You are the passenger. So again, comes with all the standard features that you'd expect from Hoppe and our engineers. Plug and play harnesses, run the harness right down the A-post, it's done. Installs very simply. We also have other things coming, more products coming all the time. We have an audio shade in development for the KRX as well right now. So people have been asking for that. We have audio shades in development for about 3 or 4 models currently right now. Our sales have just exploded. We've had a lot of success. All that Kicker audio components combined with Hoppe engineering has given some great products, great reviews. Our customers are very happy with them. And so we're real excited to keep launching new products. We're just trying to keep up with the ones we have right now. 2021 was a fantastic year for us, and we are looking forward to 2022. A lot of great things coming. To stay up to date with what we're doing, continue to watch us on all social media. You can watch our website. You can go to Instagram, Facebook, and you can also go to our website, hoppeindustries.com, and you can order all these products direct there. In addition to that, we have our motor trike dealers. You can also go to partsunlimited.com and find your local parts dealer, and you can purchase one of these through that. You can also go to WPS.com, Western Powersports, find your local dealer. These are also available through Western Powersports dealers as well. So we have a mailing list. We have great ways to keep in touch with us. We put all of our new products on our websites. We update it every week. We're also updating all of our social media and stuff as well. So we thank you for watching what we do here. We're very passionate about this industry. We're having a lot of fun with this and the products and the people we're meeting. And so we know people are really passionate about what these toys are, this fun is. So we want you to enjoy it even more. So continue to watch us, and we'll see what we have coming up next. Thanks.